Get ready to celebrate the birthday of one of the greatest performers of all time, Mr. Elvis Presley. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. The tree is trimmed and the records are on the hi-fi in preparation for one of the happiest holidays of the year, the birthday of Elvis Presley. January 8th is the big day and we have cocktails and snacks tailor-made for this momentous occasion. Before raising a toast to the king, we need a cocktail worthy of the occasion. I call this lovely libation Love Me Tender because it will love you tender. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of brandy, 1/2 ounce Banane du Bresil banana liqueur, 1/4 ounce vanilla liqueur, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice in a champagne flute. Fill with chilled, dry sparkling wine and stir gently. Here's to the king! These tasty peanut butter and banana sliders are perfect for feeding a crowd of hungry Elvis fans. To make them, all you do is combine 1 can of crushed black beans, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1 cup plain breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 ounce banana liqueur, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, and a few grinds of black pepper. Allow to sit for 5 minutes, form into patties to fit your buns and fry them up. To make the spicy peanut butter and banana sauce, all you do is combine 1/2 cup peanut butter with 2 ounces banana liqueur and 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce. They're easy, but your guests will think you worked hard. There are so many ways to celebrate the birthday of the king, starting with downloading some of his greatest hits, queuing up a movie night, or watching one of his amazing concert films. Who knows? Maybe you'll be so inspired that next year you'll spend his birthday at Graceland. Sign me up for that! Do you prefer young Elvis or the older white jumpsuit Elvis?
I like jumpsuit Elvis myself.
I love Elvis at every age, but must admit I'm partial to the jumpsuit period.
That's showbiz!
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!